The government has secured 25 million doses of vaccines developed by China's Sinovac Biotech. The Chinese company has not yet submitted its application for emergency use authorization to the Food and Drug Administration. This step is required for the vaccines to be approved for legal distribution in the country. It normally takes the FDA 21 days to review an application. But according to Vaccine Czar Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr., the government expects that Sinovac will get its EUA next month as they are to submit an application before January ends.
Ang kanilang phase 3 clinical trial, kino-consolidate lang po nila yung sa Brazil at saka sa Turkey. At sinabihan na po kami ng embassy na once na available na po yun, ay yun po ay bibigay sa FDA. Nakita po namin ang EUA ma-approve po before February 20. At yun po ang arrangement po namin. Maganda po ang pagpaplano namin dahil kasi alam na po namin kung ilan ang darating kada buwan.
50,000 Coronavac doses is expected to arrive in the country by February, 950,000 by March, then the remaining millions of doses will be delivered in the succeeding months. Meanwhile, Sinovac has been found out to be 50.4% effective in Brazilian clinical trials, according to the latest results released by researchers. It shows the vaccine is significantly less effective than previous data suggested, barely over the 50% needed for regulatory approval. But according to Secretary Galvez, more advanced countries are using Sinovac and surely have been evaluated by their experts.
Kung ito po ay gagamitin ng mga advanced countries na katulad ng Singapore, ay palagay po natin na nakita natin na ito ay talagang effective at efficient.
The official also belies reports that Sinovac is more expensive than other COVID-19 vaccines brands. To gain public trust on the government's immunization program, Secretary Galvez is willing to get a job of whichever vaccine supply will be delivered first in the country.
Yung vaccine na gagamitin natin, milyon-milyon na ang nabakunahan nun. Kaya assured kami na safe yun. Kaya kahit anong vaccine ang mauna, volunteer ako kahit na anong mauna. Mapapabakuna po ako.
Health Undersecretary Maria Rosario Vergere also said they are aware of the efficacy reports of vaccines released in other countries like that of Sinovac.
And as we have said, we have a portfolio of vaccines na tinitignan. Hindi lang naman po isang bakuna yan. We will only procure safe and efficacious vaccine.
Experts will thoroughly examine the data from Sinovac once submitted to the Vaccine Experts Panel.
Ganito po yun, no? Yan ay galing sa press release. Ang Vaccine Expert Panel ay titignan po yung technical data nila. But we need to look at the technical data bago namin talagang masasabi na ito nga. Now, iba-iba talaga ang efficacy nila and kailangan makita natin isa-isa yung mga datos nila bago natin bibigyan ng conclusion or ano talaga sila.
Meanwhile, a tripartite agreement will be signed tomorrow between the national government, local government units, and some private companies with AstraZeneca for the procurement of 20 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines. Aiko Miguel, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.